Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install Java JDK-14 on Windows 10. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Open the browser and go to the website oracle.com. And click on Downloads. Then, click on Java. And, click on Java JDK for Developers. And you can see here Java JDK-14. Click on JDK Download. And now, you can see Windows Installer. Click on that download link. And now, accept the Oracle license agreement, and click on JDK-14 download link. And, it has started downloading. Step 2. After downloading the JDK file, double click on that. Click on Next. You can see that, by default it will set the installation to C drive folder. If you want to change that, click on the Change button, or else click on Next. Now you see Java JDK-14 has installed on your system. Click on Close. Step 3. This is the very important step. Now you have to set path for Java JDK environment variables. For that, first go to search bar and type environment. And click on System Environment Variables. Now, click on Environment Variables. Now, on the System Variables, click on New. And type the variable name as Java_home. Maintain all the letters in uppercase. Now for the variable value, go to this PC. Local disk C. Program files. Java. JDK-14. Now, click and copy that address. And paste it in variable value. Click OK. Now click on Path. And click on Edit. Now click on New. And type %Java_home %bin. And click on OK. Now the Java JDK-14 has successfully installed on your system. You can also check whether Java JDK-14 has successfully installed on your system. For that, open the command prompt and type Java -version and hit enter. And you can see Java version as 14. Also type Java C_version and hit enter. And you can see Java C version as 14. It means that Java JDK-14 has successfully installed. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button. And hit the bell icon and select all notification. See you in the next video.